Welcome back, friends. Today is a new day. Last night we slept at Mikawaya Raikkonen, which, as you can see, holds a lot of history. It was established in 1883 and is actually spectacular. The gardens were something to take hold of. Last night we didn't see much of it when we arrived as we got in late, but today we explored and we were treated to a private onsen, which was delightful. We're about to go and have breakfast. I'll show you a little bit of that. And today we're riding from Hakone to Lake Kawaguchi, which is very close to Mount Fuji. Such an exciting day. So sit back, enjoy, and come along for the ride with us. The next morning, Mikey did something we were reluctant to do. Ride 20 k's downhill to meet him at his cafe, so he rode back up to meet us. Legend. We've been very fortunate enough today to be joined by Mike Rice from the Gypsy Cafe. And we've got Megan back there. We've just left our accommodation.
Waterfalls everywhere.
Yeah. Heading towards Mount Fuji. And Mike's been kind enough to map us up a really nice touristy ride, nice and safe. So we're super excited. We're on our Winspace. Mike's got a beautiful purple one. I'm on my pink one. And Meg's on a white one. We're just missing the mocha. So we've ridden up from our hotel to Lake Ashi with Mike and Megan. Mike's been nice enough to accompany us to the lake up here and show us this spectacular view.
So the trees, the rocks are also we consider gods.
Oh, that one fell. So how's your egg salad?
It's not too bad, actually.
Alright.
Yeah.
And Mike had some.
And I just take it like a gel.
What do you have, Mike?
So these are the umeboshi. These are the pickled plums. They're the best for cramps and preventing cramps and dehydration. So
there we go.
From getting dehydrated or cramps, eat the pickled plums.
We won't be cramping today. And I had some.
One for breakfast.
And the pirate ship.
Yeah. How good is it to have Mike on the ride? Basically giving us a blow-by-blow of where we are, what we're seeing, what to look at, and just giving us the history and the culture of Japan. But I think it's priceless. I think if you come for any period of time and you can book a tour with someone who knows, it's definitely money well spent, and value add to your journey, where you actually know what you're looking at. Like yesterday we're just riding and not really understanding what was around us, but cool nevertheless. But today's just another level. Right, so Mike's going to tell us a little bit about. So Mike, you hire Winspace out here for people who come over?
Yeah, we hire Winspace bikes and a couple other brands, Ep2 from New Zealand.
Wow.
And we've got a fleet of around more than 20 carbon lightweight road bikes and lightweight gravel bikes like these.
Yeah, awesome.
And we've got 8 e-bikes coming in next week.
Wow. And you also do bike tours?
Yeah, so I love guiding people, and I do 10,000 kilometers a year in Japan for 35 years, and 14 years doing a TV show guiding people on television around the best cycling spots in Japan.
Yeah, I guess, look, if you can't add those numbers up, 35 years, Mike's extremely fluent in Japanese, so there is no problem getting around with him and the language barrier. So if you do come out to Japan, definitely hit him up. I'll put into the descriptions on the channel a link to his cafe, a link to all the other bits and pieces he's just mentioned. So definitely come out and get him for a day a week. You won't regret it. Look at that.
Yeah, and these secret rindos, that's my specialty. My specialty are the rindos, these back roads that you don't see a car for. Sometimes you can go an hour and a half, 2 hours without seeing a single car on these back roads.
God, that's like music to an Australian's ear. So,
and they're paved.
Yeah, paved.
Yeah.
Definitely, if you bring your own bike, a gravel bike would be great.
Yeah.
If you don't want to bring a bike, hit Mike up for a rental. The road just keeps on giving. What do you reckon, Megs?
Much better.
Much better?
There's the active volcano. The gases are so strong that vegetation can't grow.
Wow.
So it's all yellow and stuff from
Yeah, we got to the highest peak.
Absolutely stunning. Look at that. What a view. I don't think the camera is going to do it justice. See the golf course down there. Mike was telling us that they actually own the land down there, all the land, and then it became a national park. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, 18-hole golf course. Yeah, it takes a lot of years of experience to find the good paths and roads and
Well, not only the good paths, and also suggesting the best food to have at the 7-Eleven. I think that was.
I've learned not to trust heat maps when you're planning routes, because usually heat maps is just people take the fastest way and they don't care about the traffic. And,
traffic. Check this out. We came around a corner and this is what we saw. Unbelievable. Okay, so we've started the 11k climb, which is pretty much gonna get us to the top where we're staying for the next 3 nights. I'm guessing by the way I climbed yesterday, that we climbed yesterday in semi-darkness, it took us about hour and a half to do 10 odd Ks uphill. So I reckon this will take us a little bit longer. So 2 hours I reckon. So it's 2 hours of this climbing. Japan, bring it on. Sometimes we're riding along and there's these little downhill sections like the one that we're riding down now, and all I keep thinking is, oh, 3 kilometers, I don't actually need to pedal. It's so good. So yeah, Megan broke the good news to me as well, not the vending machine. She broke the good news to me that before, what we were climbing was the climb to get to the climb. She always gives me such great news. So we're not at the actual climb yet, but we will be there soon. So funny, or fun, joy. You wanna swap? Swap? I take this one.
Oh.
Nearly 12%. Oh my god. This climb is relentless. Anyway, we're about 5.6, 5.7k in. Probably no, the other way around. 5.1. So we should be seeing the 4k to go marker pretty soon. Anyway, it's not pleasant, but we're getting there. See you soon. 17, hun. %. You know you're in trouble when there's a sign on the road going up and it's saying gradient 16%. The issue is we've already done 3 or 4 pinches just about maybe 800 meters back that showed 18 and 17%. So 16, what does that mean? It's going to be like extended for 16%? Why didn't they give me a 17% and an 18% before? Anyway, these are conversations that keep me going while I'm climbing. Not sure if they work for you, but they distract me. Just getting annoyed at signs and wondering why they don't give me better indications. The joys. So, we've approximately got 1.6k to go to the top. Megan saw a sign that said that they used this climb during some Olympics. Carapayas was alive, so
2020.
I'm assuming it was recent. And I mentioned to her, we should check it out. She goes, it's only a k down the road.
The sign.
I said, on TV. We can go to YouTube. So, unless you want to take my phone down and get a picture? No? Okay.
I saw it.
Meg saw it. Good for her. Just show off. Yeah, I'm with you. I trust him over me any day. Last 25k's home on this amazing bike path. Mike Rice, you come through again. Incredible. you eating? This is all for me. Wow. So, Megs,
No one's using it now.
I think once again, you
This
have
is exactly what you want at the end of the
outdone.
meal.
Look at this. There's rice in here cooking. In 15 minutes, this will be ready. This has already started boiling. Wagyu beef. Wagyu. And they give it berry floss. He called it something else, but it's berry floss. You add that to the hot pot because if you want to make it a bit sweeter, like, babe, and if you can't see it,
As you can see through the, just up there is Mount Fuji. Can you see?
so Megs, what are you doing with your beef?
I'm dipping my beef in a raw egg.
Raw egg, right?
And it actually tastes really good.
Right. Good.
Really good.
You actually look like you've still got your sunglasses and your helmet on. Our faces are so red. I know. It's okay. It's all right. We got to buy more sunscreen. We left our room with our bikes and beetroot face over here. Another bike over here. They were very concerned about us leaving our bikes up here.
Because there's not enough room.
Yeah, because there's no room. There's no room. But there was no bed in the room. So Megsy's like, do we have to make the beds? Nope. While we're at dinner, they broke in and made the beds for us. How cool is that? And the room went from 24 degrees, it's like 12 degrees now. Freezing. My question is do I need to get into here and sleep in that? Like, I'm not sure how we're going to sleep. But anyway, beds are made and we're ready to go. Let's have a look at the beetroot Teletubby one more time. Or your pajamas to dinner. Pajamas to dinner.
I wore my room wear. Thank you very much.
Right.
Room wear.
Right.
Lounge wear, actually.
Loungewear.
For use inside the Ryokan. That's where we are.
What'd you call me?
And when it's cold, you can wear the Tanzan. That's what I had on last night.
Where's the Tanzan?
They're in there.
I'll wear that tomorrow. One of the interesting parts about bike packing is that you have to wash your kit when you arrive, and obviously hopefully it dries, not for the next day but for the day after that. So they would have come in to make our bedroom and thought, what are these people doing? Anyway, so yes, we have kit everywhere trying to dry.